Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Radwan. I'm a Visual Studio ALM MVP and DevOps Practice Lead. Today, I'm going to show you a walkthrough on how to install and configure TFS 2017 Update 1. So let's start load the media file, which is the ISO of the TFS 2017 Update 1. Go for the full screen, navigating to the DVD, double click on the setup file. Just take the default. After the installation, just start the configuration wizard. It's good to participate in the customer experience. And we have two deployments, as we can see. If we have a database already or if we want to create a new database. And here we have a basic and advanced. With the basic, it's just installing the SQL Express. I don't have an option to configure many of the settings, but in advanced I have advanced option. So it's a different installation and configuration plan here. So let me show you the basic here. If I go for the basic, for example, we can see that I can choose a SQL Express. I can also connect to an existing SQL, and if I go click next, I can just go for the default. So let's go for the advanced. Here where I will here my database, which is the same as a local machine because I have one component. I will use here a service account, which will be the administrator account, and just type the password, test that, make sure it's okay, that's fine. Then here, as we can see, this is a default. I can also edit this settings, changing the port of the application on the IIS for the TFS. Also, I enable this SSH service. Here is a place where I put the cache. And here is a new feature, which is configuration, the search feature that introduced in TFS 2017. I will have some demos later on that. And here I will configure the service account for the search as well. This is just indexing the code, so you can search inside the code in a very useful way. And it needs some Oracle component, by the way. It's not installed, but I will show you how we will do that. So okay, just click next, configure reporting. I already installed the reporting service, prepare that. So populate, that's fine. Here is the analysis service installed. I already also installed that in the previous video. I will put the reporting service accounts. Again, it's the best practice for the service accounts that we have a different service account for the reporting. Test that, but in this demo purpose, I'm just using the same service account. Then I will not integrate with SharePoint. By the way, it is not supported anymore, but it's supported now, so don't integrate with SharePoint anymore. I will create the default collection and then just click next to start verify. So we will fill that it's failed because there is no Oracle component. I just need to select that and configure, which will install, download and install the Oracle component during the TFS configuration. It takes a little bit to configure this component. Once it's loaded successfully, I just click next, close, and this will load the TFS administration console with after the TFS configure successfully. Just take a quick overview about the collection, the application tier, going to see all the information. So seems everything working fine. Just copy the URL so I can open that and show you the portal or the web access of. So if I click that, navigate to the team web access. Here is the new design for the collection page. Let's create a new team project. I will call this project as a DevOps, and I prefer Scrum process template, personal preferences. Then yes, just navigating to the dashboard to see, and this is the dashboard of the application. Thanks for watching the video. Please, if you have any question, just visit my blog muhammadradwan.com and leave your questions, and I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you.